At last, a dustpan and brush set that really cleans up. Introducing the Clean Sweep Dustpan and Brush from Creative Products. Normal bristles part and separate, leaving dust and dirt behind. Clean Sweep's bank of rubber bristles catch every last bit of dirt and debris. Ideal for all those cleaning up jobs around the house and home. The soft rubber bristles won't damage delicate surfaces, making it ideal for wood and laminate floors. Great for carpets and rugs, the rubber bristles electrostatically charge as you sweep, attracting dust and debris like a magnet. Cleaning stair carpets has never been easier. Clean Sweep gets right into the corners, no problem. Pet hair can be a challenge for regular brushes. Clean Sweep tackles this with ease, ensuring your upholstery and fabrics never looked better. Because the bristles are made from rubber, Clean Sweep can be used both wet and dry. There's even a convenient hanging hole for easy storage. Car wheels scrub up great. Why not give your car seats and mats a really deep clean? Good for both leather and fabric interiors. With Clean Sweep, spills can be gathered up quickly. All your cleanup tasks covered with one simple brush. Take yours to the checkout now.